Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and we shall continue with our Navratri series once again. So today we are going to make apple cider, and which is a traditional Thanksgiving or fall winter drink. I have one video that I have made it for Christmas, which you can browse on my list of videos. You can see that apple cider, it is pretty much easy, and this is a little different version. So the ingredients are, I have 3 Royal Gala apple that you can see over here. I have already peeled and chopped them, and I have some cloves, 3 cinnamon sticks. You can reduce, you can add more, it's up to you, but I would not encourage you to use the powder, but use the sticks. And I also have 1 whole nutmeg seed, pounded, that can be used for this. And if you don't like, you can substitute with something else, but I would go with nutmeg. It's more fragrant. And some salt, and we'll be using some sugar, which I'll be showing you later. And so for that, I also have a pot of water ready. As to begin with, we have the pot of water. So before that, I shall add a little bit of salt, not much, just a pinch. And then we shall add the apples. And we shall add the sliced oranges, half an orange only, because I'm using only 3 apples. And I will add the spices. And dear viewers, I've also added the cinnamon sticks, and now we shall take it to the stove to be boiled, and it has to boil approximately about an hour. So after that, we'll see what we will do the next. And dear viewers, we shall begin by turning off the stove to a medium high and let it boil for an hour by covering the pot. The cider has been boiling for about 1 hour, and so now we got to scoop out all the fruits, grind them, and then not actually grind them, mash them, and then we strain them. So I have a basin over here, so I will be just scooping out all the fruits. And we can turn off the stove. Here we have the cotton cloth. Now we shall pour all of them into it. Tie it up like a bundle and squeeze that out. Be careful, it's hot. And with the potato masher, maybe you can just press it down as much as you can. And now we can add the sugar. I'm adding half a cup, but you can add more or less, it's up to you. And give it a quick stir. And our apple cider is ready. And dear viewers, here is our apple cider. It is not apple cider vinegar, but it's apple cider. And so this is from the fresh fruit and also from scratch. So this is a fall drink, could be used for fall, winter, Christmas, anytime during the cold season, even in spring. So I hope you will enjoy to try this drink, and it's also useful for Navratri, which helps to calm down the body. So I hope you'll try, and we will see you in our next video. To all my Indian friends and family members, once again I wish you happy Navratri, and also for all those who are celebrating Canadian Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to you, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and welcome aboard for all those who have been to have visited this channel. I welcome you, and please do not forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon, so whenever I post a video you'll be notified. And for all those who have been with me from the day one, I thank you for your faithfulness. Till then, we'll see each other. Bye bye for now.